Bombay today, and my married sister and her husband also decided to join.
Don't show Yash's face on your Instagram.
Yeah. We've come back to La Pantera.
Sorry, I can't be a fake person. Now your sunglasses are poking.
Rango has decided that anybody in my life she doesn't like, she's not going to pretend to like them. Shivang is just sleepy.
What is he asking for? When did you sleep last night?
3.
What were you doing?
Chilling, watching The Sopranos.
Night, Shivang watches one philosopher YouTube video, and next day, for the entire day, he intellectualizes everything that happens around him.
How the Satsang Swami Vyas.
He has the audacity to say that this wisdom will come to people late because he is getting it from his law degree. Shivang doesn't understand why we order french fries every time we go somewhere.
So just to be funny and
We love La Pantera, and the fries were extra good today. Like the perfect crispy and soft.
that's a fish slider.
I personally think the slider was a little bready for me, but it was solid.
Because if they come to a cafe, they won't say 250 ka 200 though.
Take 3.
But banquet booking, you're making like larger, like you're negotiating deals anyway na with the banquet.
Hell to the yes, that was a solid slice. Secret to life, marry an Italian. Diet Coke. Slurperoo, a 10 on 10, perfectly cheesy and peppery, and secret to life, marry an Italian.
Oh no, wait. Silky chocolate, strawberry ice cream. Done. There's blueberry also.
Don't order the first one, that's it.
Chocolate souffle or blueberry momo.
Tea time will be like in 2 hours. If you are done by then
This profiterole with ice cream and chocolate sauce, oh my fucking god.
God, that was so good though.
Once again, we've had a 10 on 10 meal. Can you stop making faces the
Your
entire
fucking thing is hitting my face every second you bend like that.
Once again, we've had a 10 on 10 meal.
Guys, side partitions are back. Quickly move to side partition. Side part is back quickly.
We're just waiting for Yash to whip out his money. At this point, Rango had reached a food coma psychosis. I don't think she could tell what was happening to her. You're so weird. And then we're going to go. And then Ranga's going to take Yash's wallet and go shopping.
I can't wait for my brother to start earning, then I can loot my father, brother, and my husband. Guess, guys, guess which meme I am.
I'm home to PR packages and these beautiful flowers. Wonder where, who, what. Guys,
PR and
the
my lips look
Bridgerton lipsticks,
orange.
We randomly picked up 2 shades to put on. I mixed 2. I think mine works, but I don't know what the fuck Rango's put on.
That's really bad.
Boys have decided to not step out and stay home. Rango and I will be going to the mall though.
Knew it.
I tried natural at Bobby Brown. I'm gonna try another one. If
What
not,
do you
I'm gonna
feel
come
about
back.
this stick?
I really like the idea of the stick. I just, if it's looking powdery on my face, and I don't want to get it because then I won't use it in life. That's what has happened to me with the Charlotte Tilbury foundation.
Really nice actually.
Because I got one, she's getting one.
I literally
Cat bro, copycat. My Sephora haul right now itself.
Yeah, show us Salo. We all want to know. The nation wants to know.
Fenty
Lord.
foundation stick, let's go. I eat up my makeup.
Yeah, you're gonna swallow that one.
Actually came to the mall to shop for Rango Bat. I got a cute little necklace from Koyu. It's got a mirchi on it. I can't wait to wear it. Rango's hella disappointed.
I'm just sleepy.
She'd rather be with her husband than walk around this mall and not shop.
We can go to this thing.
Let's go to Mothercare for you. Oh shit, we weren't supposed to announce it already.
Saloni, I literally gave a big lecture to Shivang about how this is not funny and you're doing that.
Sorry. The man. Guys, I want to say hi to my vlog. And then I got ready and we went to dim sum room for another 11 on 10 meal. You best believe calories and a diet had left the chat. Shivang was giving a job interview and we've come to dim sum room. The two friends that you saw last at the mall, they're going to be coming as well. And let's go eat dim sum. Okay guys, should I pick?
I think anyone who needs you is here. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
So she opened it. We are in France, so she can record.
Take it as a sale. Starting tomorrow, stop procrastinating, guys. First round of cocktails on us. You can choose from our curated cocktail menu. Thanks.
Thank you.
That's my best bitch, Thrashti. It was her birthday, so we went to House of Paloma. I broke my 3-week no drink streak. Lots of drinks, lots of laughing, lots of... I have spent the entire day at home. I was just working and chilling and procrastinating. I just got this dress in a PR package from Label Laba. I love it. I'm wearing the Amino body oil and I am leaving to meet the girls at Mescalita.
It was 0.5. They didn't do it high. It's not a 0.5.
The thing is, I asked Chris, how do I prepare for it, XYZ. And Chris told me, like,
Speak to my lawyer, please.
Then your job. Hey.
We scanned all the food.
We need another round of drinks. Where are the drinks?
The gup has already happened. Tea has been spilled and drinks are coming.
Chosen Saloni's red light photo. Yeah, because you're on the red light.
Does uncle want to be on the vlog?
No, he doesn't look very. Papa, do you want to be on Saloni's YouTube vlog?
The next day, I had a great time with the girls. Girls have spilled some serious tea last night to a point where we have left Mescalita. We've been sitting in the car in one spot for an hour, then gotten on a FaceTime call after that and spoken till 3 a.m. to complete the entire conversation, to go full circle. So a lot of gup and debrief has happened, opened a third eye, but right now we're going to Jai Hind College because they want me on the judging panel for a fashion show for someone whose father disapproves of 80% of her outfits and whose sister thinks my entire wardrobe is stolen from hers, even if I wear a tank top and jeans. This is gonna be exciting. My brother was supposed to go with me and he is still sleeping, so that is not happening. But let's just hope I don't have a brain freeze moment.
Today is not about trends. It's about presence.
We have a dealership. You want to take a photo?
I'm home and I'm genuinely so sleepy and tired and my head hurts. I'm also pretty positive my head hurts from my screen time, but I'm giving myself 20 minutes to lounge and then I'm gonna snap out of it. Also, I did my nails today and I've been so handicapped. I can't do anything. Like my fingers feel heavy. It is my friend's birthday. I got home, I finished some work, I lazed a little bit. That's my outfit.
Myself in one of your
Yeah. That's not new anymore.
This is what we're going with. Swag City, baby. Guys, he's here.
He's here. He's alive. He's real. He's real.
Welcome shopping. Let's go.
Hopefully,
No, I think the bad one. That's not working.
This one, can you see like shadows and the lower chin has become a little dull? And then can you see here? Hello. It's giving a nice glow. The color
so much fun, man.
What, am I crazy over here? Taking your picture?
I give you insect.
We then came to Bougie for a coffee and a sweet treat.
If you don't want a pet, you have like a really mean
I ordered an almond cake and went on to remove every piece of almond from it. We did lots of gup-shop. I told them about my wedding plans, what I was wearing, how I was gonna do my wedding and everything. Groom undecided.
You are an outfit repeater. I'm going to dinner. I wore the same outfit to Mescalita, but I wanted to wear it again. I'm wearing it again because I only wore it to the dinner.
Same.
So I'm wearing it to another
I'm
dinner.
reusing my white clothes.
Let's friggin' go. I've carried heels in case I wanna switch it up and do a switcheroo. But
That's crazy.
Driver is so angry because he's had back-to-back late nights. He's so fed up. So fed up.
I think you should get this 2 minutes.
Hi. Hello. Are you excited to be here?
Yes.
I'm very excited to eat.
Hello. Your hair, girl. What are we eating?
Yeah, I'm eating one Thai chop.
For the Sayati meal.
Oh, she is.
Yeah.
You keep getting interrupted.
The practice law. The practice law.
I'm sending it to your sister.
Record भी नहीं हो रहा है.
It is recording.
By my
We went to Love Fools. I would again 11 on 10 recommend this place. It's the cutest place with the best food. Our 3-person dinner turned into an 8-people party because Shivang invited 7 of his friends. I went on to debrief my best friend's sister and my best friend's boyfriend about my life over some really yummy gin cocktails. We have ditched Shivang and his friends and we are gonna head to Mac Street, and Shivang was just gonna join. That's the game plan.
Who is this vlog for?
This vlog is for YouTube.
This is for YouTube. Hi YouTube.
And my 200 friends. Okay, that's the card.
Okay, that's our carriage for the night. Hi YouTube. My name is Ruhi.
They know you from your lip combo.
They know me from my lip combo. No one reached out to me for my lip combo. Like comment link for my lip combo. But this is Saloni. She's looking amazing in her outfit. And now we're heading to Mac Street to have a fun little dancey dance.
Saloni, go back! Saloni, go back!
Khanna ji, Delhi se